Welcome back mga bossing. Welcome back to Boy Bukas Toy Box. At ito na naman si Alvin para mag show and tell.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So this time, this is our trip haul. So as usual, ang ano lang natin dito ay usually ay Value Village. We don't have the Goodwill here in Canada, so let's just go in Value Village. There's other almost like meron ding mga mga medyo maliliit na thrift shop dito na mga local group din like SPCA, mga pets, mga ganyan. Meron din dito, pero so far hindi pa tayo nakakuha ng magagandang ano dito. Pero alam ko meron din minsan. Chamba-chamba lang din talaga, unlike Value Village. It's a big one, so you got a lot of choices. So first thing to share, mga bossing, I got this one. So I got this one. This is a BHS. So this one is not the movie. So I think kind of interests me dahil medyo the making of the saga, right? So it's from that Star Wars to Jedi. So yung I believe kung paano ginawa yung movie. So yeah, some of the behind the scenes secret of the trilogy in motion. So I think so maganda-ganda to. So I got this for $2.99. So okay. So mukhang niraway naman nung ng store. Okay, and we got another one. We got a Pikachu. I choose you, Pikachu. So we got the Pokemon here. And this one is... So this one was released 1997. So it's pretty cool. So maganda siya. Interesting. Saka, yeah. So meron siyang libreng Poké-Rap. Yeah, so Pioneer. So I think I believe this is a jackpot. So yeah, see, malinis na malinis pa. Lagang alaga, and we got another one, the price guide. So they all have a couple of the price guide there, but price is pretty expensive. So I grabbed the oldest one. So this one was price guides year 19. So this one price guides but looks really old. I'm not sure if that's really the date, the 1982, or maybe so. We'll see here. Okay, so this one was issued the 30th edition from 1900 to present. So what is that present here? Let me see if I can find it here. Okay, I think 1983. So got some 1982 here. So there you go. I think that's cool. And we got some Marvel Masterworks, the Avengers here. Oops, they still have some. Okay, yeah, that's it. So yeah, but this one is pretty expensive. So it's $7.99. I think it's not bad. So and the price is all over. I cannot change the price. So yeah, I think it's really cool. Good artwork in the front. And this one, hardbook cover, Premier Edition, Marvel, Captain America to serve and protect. Also, a so nice pages, glossy paper. Nice. Ganda rin yung kayang condition. So, I think it's really good one. And I got another one. The Wolverine Japan Most Wanted. Yeah, this one is really expensive. They got a bonus digital edition included, but I don't think I can still have a chance to get it. Yeah, I don't see any CD here, so I'm not too sure how to get it, but we'll see. Oh, they expired in the 2016. Too bad. So yeah, another hard book cover. Good art, good condition. Yeah, good artworks here from Aaron Latour, Bejorel Diaz Garza. Let me see kung sino artist dito. So, Jason Latour. Okay, so there you go, my bossing. This one is a cool one. And the last one, really also another old books. So, brown paper. Not sure. Okay, let's see. Well, a couple of copyrights here, 1975, 76, 7. But I'm not too sure when this book was released. So there you go, my bossing. So if you're not a subscribers yet, please don't forget to subscribe now. If you like this video, give me a favor, smash the subscribe button and like buttons. I'm gonna keep on sharing lots of my thrift haul and sa mga toy hunting natin at sa mga thrift store hunting na rin. Okay, so mga bossing, please don't forget to like this video and share nyo rin sa mga friends nyo. Okay, there you go, mga bossing. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode. Peace out.
Go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things. Realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is